If you've never embarked on a remodel, it's always really hard to know what to expect. Who will be in your home, what the construction site will be like, just what the whole process entails. We want to be really cautious and aware of what that might be like for a homeowner, and we've developed a lot of processes and procedures to make sure that our homeowners are comfortable, know what to expect, and are educated about what that process will look like from start to finish.
Moving out was an option that our family discussed and we decided was best for us.
No matter how much effort we put into preparing your home for the remodel, it will always be a construction zone. So if you have the option to move out, we believe that that would provide the best quality of life. Either way, we go to great lengths to protect the spaces that aren't being worked on and build a buffer for noise and debris.
Seeing the amount of detail and care that Kraft took with protecting my belongings made me feel good about working with Kraft. I'd recommend that anyone that's new to this process and looking for a contractor, that they choose one that's looking out for their best interests.